Okay, hey y'all, it's Michelle and BJ. We are back. We have grilled our spatchcock chicken, and we have our potatoes and asparagus and our salad. Oh, and I forgot to mention watermelon earlier.
Oh.
Fresh watermelon is always good in the summertime. So we're going to show y'all, as promised, the finished products. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
There we
so
go.
here you
Are you
go.
ready to see your...
Are you ready? Here are our beautiful spatchcock chickens. So BJ, we did the fajita seasoning on one,
Yes.
right? And then we had the Cajun seasoning on a couple of them.
Right.
Is
now,
that right?
As you see, I mean, you hit that 165-degree temperature, and they're falling apart. It's because the bones are just coming apart on them.
Yes.
So the chicken is perfectly done.
Yes, you can just see how tender that is, and it's just falling apart, so that's going to be so good. And then we have our beautiful asparagus, that bacon, that yummy grease, and the asparagus got a little crispy on the ends, which is going to be perfect. And y'all, look at those onions. Oh my goodness, those are going to be so good. Cut those up to go with that asparagus. And these potatoes. And remember, I told y'all I did 2 separate pans. This one back here has got some thyme and some rosemary and some onion in there. This one we didn't put the thyme or the rosemary because just for something, a couple different options. Hannah doesn't always like those extra seasons. So just a look how pretty. Just look all of the pretty colors and the textures you got going on. And then we have a beautiful salad. I told y'all about that salad that has that wonderful dressing with Cavender's being that secret ingredient. So we've poured our dressing on top, and we'll toss that all up and have our dressing. And look at that watermelon. Fresh, good watermelon. And then we have our cheesecake and our key lime pie. So we are ready to eat. We had a fun day, a fun meal. And so if you have any questions at all about any of the recipes, or if you want to recap on the spatchcock chicken and how to do that, or anything at all, just send us a message or make a comment, and we'll get back to you. So thank you for watching. Live life, y'all.